English Shadow Podcast.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to the English Shadow Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Great to have you with us.
How are you today, Daniel?
I'm great, thanks. My morning is calm.
Mine too. And that word is will soon change to was, because today's topic is the past.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like, subscribe, and share the English Shadow podcast. It helps a lot.
Thank you. Ready to travel to the past?
Let's go.
For the past of to be, use was and were.
I am at work today. Yesterday, I was at work.
We are happy today. We were happy yesterday.
Daniel, where were you last night?
I was at the gym. It was busy, but it was fun.
Perfect. Is, are, is, was, were for the past. Practice, repeat. I was. We were. Where were you? Many actions make the past with ed.
Walk, walked. Play, played. Visit, visited. Watch, watched. Want, wanted. Clean, cleaned.
Quick story. Yesterday, I cleaned my room, watched a short video, and wanted tea.
3 ED sounds. T, watched. D, cleaned. Id, wanted. Practice. Repeat. I walked. I played. I visited. Some verbs don't take ed. They change form.
Go, went. Eat, ate. Drink, drank. See, saw. Have, had. Take, took. Buy, bought. Come, came. Make, made.
Example. Today I eat breakfast. Yesterday I ate pancakes.
Today I go to class. Last week I went to a workshop.
At the park, I saw friends, we had coffee, and I took photos.
Practice. Repeat. I went. I ate. I saw. I had. For past questions, use did. For negatives, use didn't.
Did you cook yesterday?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Did they go to the cinema? Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Time words help. Yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, this morning.
Remember, after did, didn't, we use the base verb. Didn't go, didn't watch, didn't take.
Practice. Repeat. Did you? No, I didn't. Yes, I did.
Last Sunday was great. In the morning, I went to the market and bought fruit. I walked by the river and took photos. At noon, I had lunch in a small cafe. I ate soup and drank lemonade. In the afternoon, I visited my grandparents. We talked and played cards. In the evening, I watched a series and fell asleep early.
Nice! You used was, went, bought, walked, took, had, ate, drank, visited, talked, played, watched. Fell. Super! My last holiday was in spring. I went to a small town with my sister. We stayed in a cozy hotel. Every morning, we walked in the hills. The weather was beautiful. We saw sheep and a lake. We bought cheese, ate it with bread, and drank fresh juice. In the evening, we read our books. Past read sounds like the color red. And we listened to quiet music. We had a wonderful time.
Perfect example with read, present, past, read.
Review. To be becomes was or were.
Regular ends in ed. Played, watched, wanted.
Irregular becomes go, went, eat, ate, drink, drank, see, saw, have, had, take, took, buy, bought, read, read, come, came, make, made.
Questions and negatives use did or didn't plus base verb.
Mini drill for you.
Where were you yesterday evening?
What did you eat for dinner?
Did you watch anything last night?
Answer with one ed verb and one irregular verb.
Now it's your turn. Write 3 to 5 sentences in the comments. What did you do last weekend?
We'll read your answers and give hearts.
Thanks for learning with the English Shadow Podcast. See you next time. Bye.